Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to replace your Keyfob battery. I'm going to leave the link down in the description, but this is the brand. I got it off of Amazon. The brand is Bonico. It's a lithium 3-volt battery. This is the model. This is for the Mazda 3. So for this you need of course, the replacement battery. Ideally you want a flathead screwdriver smaller than this one. I couldn't find one smaller than this one, but this one will do. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do, we need to remove the key from the key fob. And we do that by pressing on this latch here. So that is the first thing. The next thing that we need to do, we need to pry this open. So I'm going to insert the screwdriver right in between the opening. I've done this a couple of times already, so it's kind of easier. The design here, they make it even more difficult, because at first I thought I was able to change it from here. So your first impression is to try to pull it out from here, but no, you have to actually disassemble this, because you take it from below. So you have to insert your screwdriver here and try to pry it out open by twisting your screwdriver and lifting that piece of plastic. Also do it from the sides. And there we go. And finally we need to take out this cover, and that's about it. That's how you remove it. Then put the new one and install it in reverse order. So we're going to place this first. And we're going to mount this onto this section here, and it'll snap. You can push it downwards, it'll snap. That's how you know that it's properly seated. And then the final part, which is the electronic side, and finally the key. And of course, don't forget to test it. All right, thanks for watching.